So while the program finishes up building, I'll go ahead and explain it. So basically you're going to have a shooter down at the bottom. That shooter is going to be stationary. You will not be able to move it, although you will be able to shoot both a paintball and a grenade. Both looking very similar, but doing two different things. So here, once we start the game, you're going to have your shooter, it tracks your mouse, and wherever you actually click on the mouse, that's where the shooter, or that's where the paintball is going to go. So that's a left mouse click. And then that would be your paintball weapon. Your grenade weapon will go to wherever your mouse is, and it will explode. So explain the grenade function a little bit more. Wherever your mouse is located at, you will hit the spacebar button, and that's how you activate your second weapon. And also, if you take note, your shooter down at the bottom, it'll have a little red dot, or your paintball color. That is the color that the paintball will shoot out.